Apple fans, brace yourselves. YouTuber Jon Prosser just dropped a bombshell on Christmas Eve about the iPhone Fold. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. Jon Prosser gave the world its first peek at Apple's long-rumored iPhone Fold, despite the tech giant never officially unveiling it. In a 5-minute YouTube clip on the channel, Prosser showcased Apple's new foldable phone in all its glory, calling it book style while showing off a smooth design with zero visible crease, a major upgrade over previous foldables. The video teased the futuristic device, which has a sleek build and top-notch engineering. According to Prosser, the iPhone Fold will feature a 5.5-inch external display with a hole punch camera, while the internal folding screen stretches to a massive 7.8 inches, giving you an iPad-sized experience in a pocketable phone. The upcoming device is expected in two classic colors, black and white, and is rumored to hit shelves next September with the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max. Prices? Brace yourselves because estimated range is between $2,000 and $2,500. This isn't the first time Prosser has leaked something. Earlier this year, the company sued him over alleged leaks of iOS 26, claiming he revealed sensitive details before its official launch. Prosser responded by denying the claims, and now, with this explosive first look at the iPhone Fold, tensions are bound to heat up again. Apple has not officially commented on Prosser's leak yet, leaving fans hungry for confirmation. The iPhone Fold could completely redefine the brand's future. Tech insiders are already buzzing. This could be Apple's boldest move in years. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.